today's project is going to be painting my fireplace and fireplace mantle. So I decided to go all black, the mantle and the brick. The brick is already painted black, but if you look close at the bottom, you can see that whoever painted it before did not paint it all the way down. So you could still see brick coming through, and then there's a few spots that need touched up anyways, because the paint broke away and you could see the original brick through it now. So I'm gonna be touching up the brick and then painting the mantle black to match. So first I'm gonna go through all the supplies I got in case you decide to do this project yourself. So the first thing I got was from Walmart. I'm not gonna be sanding the mantle. I'm just gonna be scuffing it instead. So I got this scuff pad from Walmart. It's a 3M stage 3, which is the red one. And that's what I'll use on the mantle. I got me a 3-pack of paintbrushes. Of course, I got some tape. I ended up getting drop cloths because I have quite a few projects planned for around the house and stuff. So I just decided to invest in these because over time it'll be cheaper than the plastic wrap they sell. So it's just to protect like the floor, or like if you're painting a room, you know, if you got furniture or something, just surrounding areas basically. So that's totally personal preference. Like I said, they do have a plastic wrap that has tape already on it. For me, I felt it was wasteful for how much I'm gonna have to be using it. So it just made more sense for me to get the drop cloths. I decided to go with the Valspar Tomcat, which is this right here. Paint code 8006-12G. So I'll put that in the description as well. But this is the paint I went with. We did a satin finish, and then this is a cabinet and furniture paint. So you pick this up off one of the shelves, and then they mix it to be whatever color you want, which, like I said, we decided to go with the Valspar Tomcat. Of course, whenever you get paint, they give you the wood mixing sticks, and don't forget a paint can opener. My toes are cold. Don't come for me for the Crocs. They're not my... Oh, there's my slippers. These fit way better than Jessie's shoes. Don't come for me for my slippers. My toes are cold. Anyways, to me it just makes more sense to do this first, so. Yep. Well, that's nice and messy. All right, I got a white rag and I'm just gonna wipe all this dust off. Now I'm gonna paint. Slippers are coming off. It's getting real. I guess I would have been smart to open one of these bad boys quicker. Damn it. Wow. So I'm like being gentle on the edges because I don't want to splatter paint on the wall. And I'm trying to go in sideways under the TV because don't want to paint my TV. Honestly, it probably would have been smarter for me to start in the middle and go this way. So that's probably what I'll do on that side. Just so I don't get my hand wet in paint. But you know what? It's my first project on this house and I'm gonna be learning as I go. So if you have any tips for me in the comments, let me know. The brightest in the box, apparently. My TV moves. That's gonna be a lot easier. All right. I'm just kind of dabbing the paint on the end of the brush and then going on the underneath, because even though you don't really see the underneath, I want it to be painted. I want the whole thing to be black. I just feel like it's more quality than, I don't know. I mean, if you're laying on the ground, you're gonna see it. Or if you're sitting up here, I mean, fireplace isn't really a seat, but I mean, it could be. You don't know. That was risky. So according to the Valspar can, it says to, where'd it go? It says the dry time is 2 hours and to wait to recoat for 4 hours. So I'm gonna set a timer for 4 hours and then I'll come back and do a top coat. But till then, I'll show you what it looks like so far. Set a timer for 4 hours. Timer is set. So obviously it's not perfect right now and there is some wood still showing through. It's gonna look different whenever it dries, but we are back with the slippers because my toes are cold again. I'm gonna go get that paintbrush. I'm gonna need to tape off the floor so I don't get it all over the hardwood floor and then I can paint the bottom. I'm basically a pro. Alright, so here's what we're looking like the next morning. Overall, it looks really good, but there are some spots like here and like through here and stuff that there is still some wood showing through. So I am gonna do one more coat and that should take care of all that. And then I should be good to go. So let's get this puppy done. Also, when you look at the brick, you can see the spots I touched up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the brick because I'm only trying to have to do this once. Alright, so right now it looks like it'll blend in fine with the rest of it. I thought that last time too, so I'm gonna let it dry and see how it looks. And we'll probably end up repainting, not repainting this, but just painting the sides and up here to match the rest of the brick. So we'll see how it goes. Well, that's not great. Jesse's home.